welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing an easy and quick makeup look for graduation. Okay, let's get started. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera. So let's get on to the eyeshadow first, and then I'll talk about base or foundation. Okay, so for the eyes, I want to start with primer, and I'm using Elizabeth Skin Layer Primer. And you do this because para mas matingkad yung kulay ng eyeshadow, tsaka mas mag-last siya longer throughout the day. So after that, you're going to apply a light color all over the eyes. So I'm going to use this champagne color. Tsaka para hindi mag-crease yung primer. Okay, so after that, you're going to use a medium neutral color for your transition shade, which you will put just right above the crease or yung eye socket. I have very small creases, so I'm going to just feel for my eye socket and then ko ilalagay yung transition color. So ang transition color is usually around browns, like this color right here. Then darken natin yung outer V of our eyes. So I'm going to use this parang burgundy reddish brown color. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other side and darkened it a bit more. So, kung ayaw nyo ng browns or really dark maroons, you can change the colors to whatever color you like. Like, let's say, for example, this mauve red, or if you want it to be like a purple, you can use this one. Or if you want a smoky blue eye, you can use this mute blue. So you can really change it up kung ano gusto nyong gawin na color. So this is just a neutral brown look. Meron akong eye stick which is very glittery. So if you want a very glittery look, I recommend this one. So this is the Etude House Bling Bling Eye Stick. So this is my favorite kapag gusto ko lang ng quick brightening of the eyes at saka may konting color siya. So my color is it's number 11, and then it looks like this. So I'm just going to put this at the center of my eyes, a bit under. Regarding the base or the foundation, I do not use, or well, I do use liquid foundations and cream foundations, pero hindi ko siya type gamitin kasi I'm very oily and very sweaty. So throughout the day, napansin ko kapag I'm using liquid foundations, it tends to take up, and kapag powder yung gamit kong foundation, hindi ko siya na-feel kasi nga powder yun. So, kahit na I pack on powder, tas mag-oil siya and then powder again, it doesn't cake up on my face. So, if you're like me, I suggest you use powder foundations. So, what are powder foundations? So, an example of that is the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One Shine-Free Cake Powder. So, I already use this. So, wala pa akong nabibiling refill. So, I'm gonna skip this step and just cover up my blemishes and use baby powder for the meantime. But if you do have a powder foundation, I suggest you do that now. before putting on your cheeks and lipstick and other contour products or other face products that are powdered. Another suggestion I have, if you really want to use liquid foundations or cream products on your face and you're very oily or sweaty throughout the day, I recommend you use the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover because nung trinay ko siya, sobrang ganda. It's cream, but when you apply it, it turns into a powdery finish, so hindi mo siya mararamdaman. I just suggest that you check out that one. It's quite expensive, more than the usual drugstore brands, pero maganda yung coverage niya kasi nga total cover siya plus powdery finish. So yun ang mare-recommend ko if you really want to use liquid foundations. But you kinda need to see how it goes onto your skin before you use it for your graduation day. Do a test run a few days before your graduation para lang makita mo if your makeup is gonna stay for the whole day. We're going to contour. I'm just going to use the palette again because I don't really have a contour palette. So, plus, ang dami niyang color. So, I'm just going to dip my brush over here in the brown section. See, this side of my face doesn't have contour and it's puffier. It's puffier than the one with the contour. So you can see the shape of my face kapag may contour talaga. Unlike kapag wala. I do have natural contours, pero if you deepen it, it's gonna show off your face, natural face contour. Do you get what I'm saying? Forget to also contour your nose kasi kapag hindi mo siya kinontour, parang flat yung face mo. So you're gonna put dimension on it kapag nilagyan mo ng contour yung nose mo. After contouring is blush. You can have two options. Well, actually you can have three, but I don't have the other one. So this is what I use. This is for easier blending and non-mess. So you can use a powder blush. You can also use a cheek and lip tint if you want a longer staying power of your blush. If you have cream blushes, you know what, just go with whatever choice you want. So you can do powder, liquid, cream, whatever you want. So for today, I'm going to go with powder blush since I'm not going anywhere. Okay, next is highlighter. So for highlighter, my tip is that you use highlighters that are close to your skin color. Like for me, if I'm very white, nude, beige color, I don't really know how they call it. So I'm very chinita. So chinita ako, so maputi. And I tend to go for highlighters that are champagne color kasi yun yung maganda, bagay sa akin. So for example, I'm going to use this champagne color, the one that I used to set my eyelids with. Because nung trinay kong silvery color talaga, like really, really white silver, makikita mo yung streak nung highlighter sa mukha mo. So, you don't want that. You just want a natural glowy look from within. Find the source of light and tapat nyo yung highest point of your face, which is your cheeks, para mahanap nyo yung kung saan nyo ilalagay yung highlighter. So if you want, you can also highlight papunta sa brow bone. Last but not the least, you're going to put lipsticks. For a neutral look, I suggest you go for a neutral berry look. Berry lipstick. So this is like this one. Like this color. So this is the Etude House Soft Touch Auto Lip Liner in the shade number 5. So ito yung mga shade na gusto ko kapag for everyday, for a neutral look. I'm just going to go ahead and do my lips. Okay guys, so after you do the eyeshadow, you need to do your eyeliner, which I forgot before you do your concealer, your contours and blush and other things. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, so after doing your eyeliner, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. If you have lashes like mine, they're pretty stubborn, so throughout the day they're just gonna stick right down. Actually, after a few minutes, they're gonna stick right down. So I suggest that you put falsies, like these really thin, natural looking ones, or I suggest that you buy this. This is 45 pesos for a pack of 10 pairs. So this is number 218. I bought this at Divisoria. But kung ayaw nyo mag-invest sa gantong klaseng lashes, meron namang department stores na nagbebenta ng parang ganito. Natural looking din siya, pero naka-single packs. So that's gonna cost around, I don't know, 30 pesos ata. Dati 20 lang. Alam ko 20 lang dati. Those are synthetic plastics. This one, they feel very lightweight. They also have nylon bands, if you can see. Ayun, transparent yung band niya, so mukha siyang natural. Kung ayaw nyo naman mag-invest, okay lang din naman na bumili kayo ng just one pair para may magamit lang kayo on that day. Why do I suggest you use falsies? Because, well, for one, kung makulit yung eyelashes nyo, kung hindi siya nagsistay na curled, this is going to open up your eyes a bit more. And, ang maganda sa ganito is you get 10 pairs for 45 pesos. So that's 4 pesos and 50 cents for a pair. And reusable siya. You get a lot of uses before nyo siya maitatapon. And another tip for applying eyelashes is that you use a lot of glue for the ends. Kasi pag hindi nyo siya nilagyan ng glue ng maayos, matatanggal at matatanggal talaga siya. So you don't want to have lopsided eyelashes on your pictures, and it just doesn't look good in general. Get back to you with the final look, okay? So that is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and a big congratulations to all the graduates of 2018. I wish you luck on your future endeavors, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!